We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty double-sided tape. List number 1. Easy Life Go Double-Sided Tape Heavy Duty. Made from the latest acrylic gel material, our transparent double-sided adhesive tape is incredibly strong. Durable, easy to install, no tools required. Instant bonding does not require curing or drying stage. This super adhesive tape works perfectly in temperatures range from 0 to 200. The removable double-sided tape leaves no residue, easy to remove, and will not damage surfaces. Wash it with water and dry it to regain its stickiness when you need to reuse the tape. Size: length 9.85 feet, width 3.0 cm. List number 2. Nano Double-Sided Tape Heavy Duty. This Nano double-sided tape can solve your problems. It is ultra-sticky and will not damage the attached surface. The Nano double-sided heavy-duty tape can replace traditional fixing methods that damage the walls, such as screws and electric welding. The Nano adhesive tape is easy to use. It can be widely used in home, office, kitchen, and bathroom, and even cars. It's suitable for fixing posters, carpets, pictures, pen holders, hooks, wall decorations, etc. Most importantly, the double-sided Nano can be reused after washing and drying. List number 3. Double-sided tape heavy duty. This heavy-duty double tape offers a durable bond in a way that mechanical fasteners can't. This tape enhances the appearance of finished goods by eliminating rivets and screws while providing immediate handling strength. In most cases, fastening with 3M double-sided tape is a quicker process than drilling, fastening, or using liquid adhesive. This multi-purpose tapes can be used indoors or outdoors in a variety of applications, including window, door and sign assembly, electronics, construction, and countless other industrial applications. List number 4. Gorilla Tough and Clear Double-Sided Adhesive Mounting Tape. Gorilla Tough and Clear Mounting Tape is a clear double-sided tape that mounts in an instant for a long-lasting, weatherproof bond. The crystal clear tape won't yellow over time and holds up to 38 pounds. Gorilla Tough and Clear Mounting Tape is perfect for indoor and outdoor projects and sticks to smooth and rough surfaces. Completing DIY projects are easy with this single pack of tough, strong double-sided tape. Mount, build, and repair for a perfect finish every time. List number 5. Double-sided tape black acrylic adhesive foam tape. This foam tape is easy to reposition when it is not fully compressed. Stick tape on objects and let it freeze for 24 hours, then apply pressure to walls. The longer the application time, the tape will press firmly against the surface of the objects. Avoid handling on the adhesive for a stronger bond. Industrial-grade gray adhesive tape. Some sellers call it foam tape. A premium pure acrylic blended material, holds a weight of 5 to 20 pounds per square inch with two-sided adhesive after 24 hours. A weatherproof adhesive that empowers home and business owners to have a strong bond.